Hey guys, Azupanda back again. I hope you guys are doing well. So today I'm trying something new. That is because last drive the audio quality I was not happy with it, and yes, I've had this mic for a while, but we barely use it because see I tried using this mic and I ended up getting two mics, but pinning a mic on Crafty Wi-Fi is like pinning a bell on a cat. Yeah, seriously. So, anyways, I thought at least my audio quality should be better, right? No electricity today, so we are out for a drive. And hopefully, by the time we come back, the electricity is back, and we could do something really exciting on this Sunday. And hopefully, the sound quality is better too. So, you please do let me know in the comment section if the sound quality is good. Also, thank you for likes, shares, and comments on the previous video. Also, two new subscribers. So thank you. So whoever has subscribed, thank you so much. Please share it with other friends so that it may help the channel grow. Thank you so much. So let's go. Out the door we go. Stairs, my worst enemy. Good Jaisha.
अस्पताल
Chalo, let's go. Welcome back.
Thanks.
So now I have another solution. So instead of placing the mic on her and another mic here, I've stuck it to the roof right there. I don't know if you can see it. So I hope that improves my audio quality. So this is basically checking sound. Right now, Crafty Wi-Fi wanted to use the public conveniences. And now we are going home. So we came to my dad's place because of the power cut. And because he stays in a hospital campus, medical college campus, obviously they have uninterrupted power supply. So we borrowed his precious time and had lovely chai.
Let's go find that
What now? What do you want to find?
gulak.
Gulak. Saving pot. My wife wants to save money. Trust me. Wow.
Yes.
Okay.
I'm good at saving money because I'm very conscious.
Now, I'll tell you what you're good at. You're good at the money saving money that you have in your hand. But that does not stop you from buying things, because then in that case, you basically swipe me as a bloody credit card.
You're not my credit card. You're my ATM.
See? That is not much of an upgrade anyways. I am losing either ways. Anyways. बीवी की सेवा करो मिलेगा मेवा, माता पिता की सेवा करो मिलेगा मेवा, और बच्चों से करो प्यार. हाँ जी.
See money everywhere.
That is my parking money. Please don't steal my parking money. Okay. So I was actually making a plan to go to Mahakumbh, but then again I had my apprehensions about driving on my own for that long, and on top of that, Crafty Wifey fell seriously ill because of food poisoning, because she had a few extra pani puris. So please be careful with this weather and with things happening. Please be careful if you like to have street food. You never know. See, because we eat from the same vendor so many times and nothing's happened so far, so we kind of believe that he is up to the mark. And sometimes it just goes wrong. So yeah, please be careful. I'm thinking of cooking today.
Yes, I haven't eaten for 5 days.
I'll tell you what she has not eaten for 5 days. It's not that I've been starving my lovely wifey. It's just that she wants to eat like typical masala, like the jhal chutney with akhone and pork and stuff like that. And when you're not well, you have to have like I see fine. You eat a lot of soupy chicken, right? But how do you eat your soupy chicken? You eat your soupy chicken with very spicy chutney. So although soupy chicken is very healthy, you need to avoid the spice for a couple of days. Yes.
What is
Anyway,
spice? I don't know. I have forgotten the taste of Raja Pacha. In 5 days.
I don't think so. You've forgotten any taste. It's just that. Anyways, so I hope the audio quality is better now. And let's go home and see what we can cook today. Also, I'm thinking of going live today. I have a new idea of going live on Sundays because I always wanted to do this live session once a week. So I have a new idea right now. And let's hope. It's about how you can use AI in your day-to-day activities. Right? So yeah. I'm going to try making an account on that new AI that everybody is talking about called DeepSeek. So let's see what DeepSeek can do for us. Can it seek deep enough? What a wordplay! What a wordplay! I sound like an extremely caffeinated toddler right now. That way direction. Still waiting on her.
How much is Daiso?
250.
In another 4 or 5 days, he'll make a bigger one. Daiso में आएगा. Gas cylinder.
Saving pot in the shape of a gas cylinder. Please show.
The change he gave was Jatra.
Jatra. Okay, do your Jatra.
Then, in another 4 or 5 days, he'll make a bigger one for me. Daiso is 250.
Hungry, I'm hungry. So this is Crafty Wifey's new new gas stove because glass has broken on the old one. New gas getting fixed. So that new gas chai. Welcome, ji, welcome. Okay. Now fix regulator. Where is regulator? Very far. Wait, I'll help you. Okay.
Check. He's scared.
You're always scared. Okay.
Bonus, yes.
Lighter. It has a. There you go. Happy?
Thank you.
Thank you, thank you. Welcome. Working perfectly. Good.
This one, keep it like this. I'll just now butt you off.
Don't leave the gas open. Only switch it on once you're going to use it. Okay? Don't waste. Nice basmati and akhone and smoked pork. Aha. Hungry? Khabo. Then you also make and have. I will also have. See you in some time. One. Rotating. Sure. Uy.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Yum yum. Cut this.
क्लॉथ ले वहाँ से So there is our rotisserie chicken, first attempt. Now it looks cooked, it looks delicious. Let's taste, okay? And I am now using the normal camera mic, so please let me know in the comment section whether the audio quality is better now or was it better before. Yes, happy? Photography very important. Let's taste this. Yes. Oh, whoa! How much chicken is yours? Is this also yours?
It's too small.
Let's do this. Very hot. Ah, nice. Oh, falling off the bone. So, seems like my first attempt at rotisserie chicken has been
Success.
quite successful. Let's ask Crafty Wifey. Yes. Yes, we are waiting for your answer.
Right time. My appetite is back. Juicy, soft, very tasty.
I'll get back to you. So after devouring delicious chicken, now it's time to go nappy. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed watching this video as much fun as we had making this for you. Please do mention what you like, didn't like. Please, the comment section is always open. Thanks for like, share, comments as I said on the earlier video, and please, yes, at least share this video with one more friend. Thanks for all that I'd like to say is thanks for watching. Keep watching. Until next time, Oshi Kimti Tawa.